Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. So today I just want to introduce guys to one tool I just found, which is Apify. So basically Apify is a website that enables you to scrape other websites, without the also of having to build a separate scraper or your IP being banned. This is good for if you're a business. If you have a business, you want to generate leads or basically you're starting a SaaS application. So this will greatly help you. I want to open an incognito because it doesn't seem to be. Let me open an incognito window. So basically the site is Apify. Apify, I think .com. Yeah, apify.com. So basically, like I said, this is a great website for scraping data off the internet. You can use this to scrape the list of data, list of contact informations of your client, and get leads with this app. There's no need for you to build a separate application that will scrape leads off the internet. And most of the time when you build this app, you have if you run it on your system, you'll get banned. Your IP will be flagged by most of these providers like Google, and all these social media. They might flag your IP. So what a lot of people do is usually they buy, they change IP and all that when scraping. But this tool already incorporated all that. You don't need to do anything. They do all the scraping on their own servers and it is integrated into their own system. So you don't need to, get scared of being banned or whatever. So you can see your full stack platform for web scraping. You can also integrate this into your applications. Apify is the greatest ecosystem where developers build, deploy, and publish web scrapers, AI agents, and automation tools. We call them actors. So what this is basically is you can build a scraper here and rent it out. So you build a scraper on their platform and specify the price. People can come and rent your scraper for a specific price. And when they use it to scrape data, you make money off it. So if you have experience building scraper, you can, join this website, and earn from it. So basically what usually happens is that when you build your scrapers and you deploy it, you set a price, but the first run will probably be free for people to test your scraper. And then you can, start charging them. So there's also a pricing model for this app. You can see you have free starter, which is $39. When you are on the free plan, you get 0.4 per compute unit. Community support, no Apify store discounts. You can see all the, what this means is that the amount they are charging you per unit, 39 to spend in Apify store or in your own actor. So you get this $39 to spend on their actors. That is when you can rent their scrapers. So having logged in, you can see when you go to the app store here, this is where you see all the scrapers. You can search YouTube scraper. So the ones I've used here, I've used YouTube scrapers to build scraping or rent scraping actors. So basically, I have this app that I built. I showed one tutorial when I was doing it. Convert all, which is a TTS app, text to speech using AI. It's powered by AI. So I've greatly modified it. Let me choose the light mode. So you have it here. This is the app. This app, and I was thinking of how to scale it, how to get clients, how to get users, to subscribe to it. So that was what led me to Apify. So here's the text to speech tool that I built, and you can use different voices, different AI voices. Here is a sample. Let me generate the. I think I need to have a way for people to test these voices. You can.
Welcome to Convert All.
I don't know if you can hear that.
Text into natural sounding speech with our advanced AI technology.
Beautiful. It enables you to convert your text to speech using AI voices. You have different AI voices, and OpenAI is behind this. I use the OpenAI platform to build this. So the AI generating the speech is OpenAI. I'm also looking at expanding it because OpenAI doesn't support voice clone. So I'll probably be bringing in Google Voices for that, for the cloning, and or one other voice AI that supports cloning. So, but the features here is that you can do your text to speech, you can do your transcription, your live transcription here. You can also do bulk processing. So here you can upload the script, CSV script containing the columns file name, text, and your title, and it will generate the text to read it out, create it, number it for you, so you can easily take and use it. So this is best for content creation. If you have a no face or this YouTube channel that uses AI voices, or TikTok channel, any no face channel can use this. It saves you time, so you can convert like 60 scripts at once, and all of that. So I was looking for a way to get users on this platform. So I was looking for people into text to speech, and that was when I found Apify. So, and the beautiful thing is you can also integrate it with Make, to automate the flow. Instead of you having to come here every time to run it, you can integrate it with Make, and integrate it into your AI agents or whatsoever. So that was how I found this website, and I've used a couple of their scripts. I've used a couple of their scrapers. You can see these scrapers, scrapes YouTube, email, and phone scrapers, and it successfully ran for 30 minutes, I think, for 17 minutes, and generate 332 results, which that is beautiful. And you can see this one ran for 28 minutes, generated 560 results. So I have 560 data, so I'm going to open this so that you'll see. You can see this scraper now. You can see the output here. Faceless, cool. It was able to get their Gmail. You can see. I'm going to be blowing this out so that you can see these emails, but you can see the result. So this is beautiful. If you're a business owner, if you're a CEO, you're starting your SaaS, agency and you are looking for ways to find a potential clients, you can come to this site and do what you have to do. Just rent the actors. So this was a test run. So if I'm going to run this actor again now, it's going to ask me to pay or subscribe to this platform, which is worth it. It's worth it if you can generate this result for you. So you can use this as lead magnet for email marketing, and the rest. Probably later I would do a tutorial on how to integrate it into your apps, and all that. So you can set up a automation with Make, to have it regularly scrape. So for this, I'm scraping for leads, and what I'm searching for is storytelling. So I'm looking for YouTube channels who are into storytelling. They are probably the ones that need this TTS app. So, and I was able to get about 500 results for 20 something minutes. So imagine I ran this for like 5 hours or something. I would definitely get more results. So you can schedule this to run from time to time. You can see schedule here. Also, you can use make automation. So if you don't know what make is a tool that helps you to automate anything virtually. So you can even build agents and automate them. Have agents do a lot of things for you, and automate them, have them run on the background. So that is that about that. So I just thought to let you know about this tool. If you have if you are a CEO, you have your SaaS company, you are just starting a SaaS agency and looking for how to get leads, because as a CEO, as a business owner, you are the brain of your company. You have to be involved in every aspect of the company, both the marketing. You have to virtually think about everything, especially if you're a startup. So this is a cost-effective way for startup to generate leads. So you can tell it to generate leads on anything, virtually anything. You can look for businesses, look for barbers. I can write barbers here and generate the leads, and that will be okay. So that is that about that. So if you are looking for a way to get leads, this is one. So I'll see you guys some other time.